show you how to make spicy Long Jawed Mackerel with stinky bean. So, let's get started!
Ingredients: Long Jawed Mackerel, shallots, garlic, lime and tomato, chili, lemongrass and stinky bean, salt and sugar, and cooking oil. First step, you have to slice the garlic, and slice lime, and then put in on the fish to reduce the fishy smell. And then just chill it for about 5 minutes.
Put the chili, shallots into the blender and add a little bit of water. After that, mix the ingredients in the blender to make them into paste and put it on the plate. Slice the tomato, and pound the lemongrass.
Pour some cooking oil sufficiently. Turn on the stove. Wait until the oil is hot. Put the fish and fry the fish until the color golden brown.
And drain well the fish. Put the stinky bean and fry it for a moment.
Put the chili and fry it until it's half cooked. And then add salt and sugar. Put the lemongrass and slice of tomato into the chili sauce. Wait until it smells good. And the last step is you have to put the stinky bean and fried fish into the chili sauce.
Do some plating and you're done. Yay! Spicy Long Jawed Mackerel
With stinky bean
is ready to be served.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe!